How to change your display name on Reddit. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your display name on Reddit. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Reddit app on your mobile device. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Next, select the option that says My Profile. Then tap on Edit. And here you can enter in a display name and it's shown on your profile page. Note that it says this will be displayed to viewers of your profile page and does not change your username. So if you want to change your username, there's another way to do that, but this is how you update your display name. So enter in your display name that you would like to be shown as and then tap on Save. And that's what it takes to update your display name on Reddit. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.